fridge. Cold beverage. I'm trying to get this to focus. It's backwards, but that right there says made in Germany. I thought WeatherTechs were made in America. This is starting to look all too familiar. A little stiff. Huge bump right there. Got it. Oh yeah. Sounds like you got pots and pans banging around back there. Hear that? You better get out your bolts and bolt that thing down. It's annoying. Duct tape. How do you always talk me into going with it?
Just not give you a choice. Go to go.
Okay. So that's how that works. But what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today, once again, starting the video off in this gosh darn mobile bedroom with a vibrating, bouncing cabinet thing that's annoying. We had to run down today to, what, about an hour from the house. He's picking up today. I'm gonna help him. It's a load of valves, which I was just talking about in my last video. Shows chain action. I think it's valves. I don't know. We're going to a place that has valves. But he's delivering it tomorrow. I'm not going. I'm not going tomorrow. We'll see. Not going tomorrow. Alright guys, we got it all loaded up. Can't really see it right now. You kind of see one hanging over the edge right there in the mirror. Started to rain, which sucks. I don't have any raincoats on or nothing. But we got it finished up just in time to beat the weather. We are losing light super fast. We're gonna try to make it back to the yard where we keep the truck, or where he keeps the truck, and I'll give you guys a quick run through of exactly what we did. But let's go. This truck handles bumps like a freaking tank. A tank with no suspension.
Tanks don't have suspension.
You know?
No.
The new ones?
Zippo.
I feel like I've seen them new tanks ripping across the desert hitting jumps.
There's suspension on the wheels.
Up and down. We are almost back. We made it. We made it back to the yard where the truck is parked, and it's pitch black. You always know when you're driving a MaxxForce. You know why? you always have a steady smell of burnt or burning coolant at all times. It smells like coolant. I smell it in here right now. You smell it as soon as you start it up. MaxxForce. MaxxForce is a bad deal. You know why they're a bad deal? Their EGR coolers are a system where they opted out of DEF, like diesel exhaust fluid.
Yeah.
So there's no DEF in this truck, but in order to comply with the standards, they ran a double circulation EGR to recirculate it more. Ruined the motor.
Kicked it.
That's just the gist of the idea. There's many more problems with this MaxxForce, but the main problem is definitely that EGR cooler. Not good. Okay, so real quick, here's what we picked up. Super awkward chaining these down, especially those two in the back. But basically what you want to do whenever you chain is have pulling forward motion and pulling backward motion along with downforce. So as long as you have that covered and you don't have awkward weight anywhere, it's pretty cut and dry. But I'll show you these ones back here. These ones get a little weird. They need angled on the trailer in order to not come over the sides. But that's about it. Pretty cut and dry. Nice load of valves. They are, these ones here are 11,700 pounds a piece. We have two of those. We have a short one, I think it's 10,000 in the back. And we have this one here that's 10,400 on the front. So there you go, we're pretty much at max capacity here for this Walmart hauler. Are you looking for deer? There you go. I see some deer.
Season.
All right, let's check this thing out. Pop this hood. Did you already pop the other side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, I can see a whole bunch on here. So guys, this is what the problem area is right here. This is the EGR cooler. This monstrosity of a thing that runs from here all the way back to the back of the engine, which is MaxxForce's biggest issue. I actually think there is a couple lawsuits from the actual EGR system that is completely and totally junk, and consumers who bought these trucks were not happy about it. So they had to figure out something with Navistar and International and the whole deal. But that's a story for another day. You gonna check the oil?
Sure.
Check her out. Did you say you don't have nothing to wipe it with? Good old glove wipe situation here.
Stick her in.
Nailed it. She looks about right midstream there.
Yeah, but look at the consistency of that.
So that is a quick lesson today on a MaxxForce. You guys want a proper truck tour? Let's do it. Bed for sleeping. Storage. Fridge. Cold beverage. Drawer. More storage. Garbage can for your garbage. Fan. Air. Curtain for weirdness. CB. Talk to your buddies. 10-4, good buddy. Alright, that concludes our truck tour. Yes, that was a joke.